As vehicles become more advanced, so do the requirements of each repair operation. Perhaps one area of automotive repair most affected by these advancements is the replacement of glass. It is now critical that the glass professional have access to the OEM repair information prior to scheduling and performing a removal or replacement of the glass. Let's explore a few ways ALLDATA can facilitate navigating the OEM repair information. Regardless of the OE you need to access, our repeatable format for the repair data allows you to easily navigate the information. Here, you can find repair bulletins, recalls, and service notices, as well as the information for the vehicle's components such as glass. To aid in your research, you will find the inclusion of a search box, which can always be accessed in the upper right corner of the screen. This feature facilitates complete and accurate research of the required procedures in a quick and easy way for any technician to complete. Once inside your selected document, you will find hyperlinks and associated procedures that are required to complete the proper repair. These may include battery disconnect and reconnect procedures. The disconnection of a battery or involvement in an ADAS component can mean significant diagnostic and calibration procedures. You will also find one-time use parts, such as pillar trim or rear view mirrors. In many cases, glass is considered a one-time use part, or the process itself may trigger the required replacement of other associated parts, including trim and rear view mirrors. You will find material requirements, including approved adhesives, and most notably, you'll find scanning and recalibration requirements, both of which are critical on today's vehicles. Having access to the OE repair information before scheduling a glass appointment and during the repair can ensure all required parts are ordered, the right time and location have been allotted for the repair, and all vehicle systems are functioning correctly after the replacement. If you want to learn more about how ALLDATA can help your glass replacement service, contact us today.